The ViolinCircus card game comes in a organza bag or in a hand-painted fabric bag. So let's unpack. This is a little sticker to stick on a dice. So I've just cut them out and stuck them on this dice. So I have my basic instructions in English and in German. I have 3 categories of cards: the acrobatic and creativity cards, the character and timbre cards, and technique and accuracy cards. I'll show you a couple. So, for example, here it's like a joker card. We can just think up our own way of playing the piece. Another one, this card is about sound projection. The next card here, I'm listening to the silence before and after playing and holding the tension, which is very important for concerts. Here I'm going to play with a metronome. Here I'm playing from memory, and so on. So now I'll show you a couple of the character and timbre cards. Here I'm going to play my piece and play an accelerando. Here I'm playing majestically, kingly and dignified. Here I'm going to play at a walking pace. Here I'm going to play and get slower while playing. Here, playing happily, playing slowly, play angrily, playing crescendo, and so on. These cards can be used for all instruments. And then I have the technique and accuracy cards, putting the little finger nicely on the bow. Here I put my thumb round on the bow. Here I'm listening really carefully how I'm playing, which is very important. Here I'm going to play spiccato. Here I'm playing using the whole bow, and so on. Here I'm playing at the tip. Okay, so now I'm going to explain how to play this game. So we take the dice, and acrobatic and creativity. So now I'd take my piece and just choose a card. And then I'm going to play the piece in pizzicato. Then I roll the dice again. Oh, characters and timbre. So let's see what we're going to do. Let's play it really, really slowly. This time I'm going to choose all 3 cards at once. So I'm choosing one here, and one here. So now let's see what we're going to get. So I'm going to play in every room of my flat. I'm going to play really loud, and I'm going to play with the whole bow. So this technique enables me to get 5,000 or more combinations of how to play and repeat my piece, which is really good, especially for kids who don't want to play a piece more than once. As it says on the back, the card game was awarded a prize in 2017. Thank you for watching!